Huh? I don't know where he went, but he went somewhere definitely with our money. That's where he went. Oh, come on, green one. Green one, there he was. Green one. Yes. Okay, we got that crazy thing now. Nice. Okay, it's not the biggest number, but at least we got that green feature. He just disappeared over there, and then he ran onto the screen. That's where he went. Now we know where he was going. Okay. Oh. All right, let's get greens fast and furious. Come on. A lot more greens. Okay, let's get them very quickly. We'd like to get like 3 on one. 3 on 1 spin would be great. Oh, come on. Okay. And the numbers aren't that big. You just want to get those quickly, so you still have we have 3 spins left. So come on, green. So you get that because it's in the little tiny box. 2 spins for 2. Come on, drop 2 right now. Come on. No, we don't want those little baby. Oh my god, come on. 2 greens. Okay, let's go. But like still we use every single spin to get it. It's gonna give us like 3 more spins, I think. It's big now. That's why it's so important to get it before. Okay. 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 1 more. Keep the, oh, the mini. Oh, it's only 20 bucks. 2 more. Same thing. 2 more on 1 spin. Let's drop the major in there. 1 more 1 spin. We came down to it again. 1 more on 1 spin. You can do it, sir. Come on. 1 more. Green. No. Wah, wah. My mom just texted me, are you screaming? Probably because she just texted me, are you screaming? Because she thinks I'm watching the Warriors game right now. Which we were watching the Warriors game, but we just left dinner and we came out here. Thank you for the slow clap, friend. Okay, I appreciate it. So 81 bucks, not bad. Not bad. Couple backup spins. Okay. Couple backup spins. Pop it again. The other ones, all 3 now, come on. That would have been a good time to do it. Does it stay on 2 cents? Yeah, I think. The blue one has been hot, so it doesn't matter. This is the same experiment we tried with the firecracker game. It doesn't matter if they're shaking or they are empty. They'll pop whenever. Oh, green, green, green. Green. Green on the last one. Green on the last one. Yes, we got it again. Nice. Redo, come on. See, I just was saying it. It doesn't matter if it's empty. You can get it when it's empty or it's like ridiculously full like that one is. So let's do a retry. We could not get too far on the last one, but let's get many green ones in the first spin. Or they can just drop one of those huge progressives in there. I wouldn't mind that. And then we don't need to worry about the green ones. Many green ones, quickly. More green, okay. It'd be really nice to get 2 on this spin. Okay, 2 on this spin. I was just kidding on the last spin. Okay, okay, 2 on this spin. I was kidding on the last 2. You dirty dog. That was a big one too on the end. That's all we get for that. That is, it's so exciting to get a bonus round and you're like, yes, what can happen? And then when it's over that fast, it is a heartbreaker. But how the cookie crumbles. Okay, wifey says a few more spins because we gotta go home. The kitties are lonely. This silly blue one, come on. Look at this blue one over here. What is going on with him? Just come on, you know you want to release the tension, sir. Come on, yes, you do. You want to just let go. Just let go of the pain. Come on, blue guy. You're my boy, blue. Green one again. Imagine getting another green one and just like double pop. Huh? Last time he left, he came back over there, so where's he gonna be? Oh, come on, blue. That's 3. Oh, come on. Come on, blue dude. It keeps dropping down. Is it actually a wild too? Yeah, it says wild. Obviously, it has to be a wild. Come on. Just drop it in there. I just saw it fly by. It can fly by and drop now. Bah. Oh, is it gonna do it? Look at him. He's disappointed too. And he just went. And he just fell inside. Oh. Like Scrooge McDuck. Falling in on his millions and millions of dollars. Really? Okay. So wifey wants to see the jackpot go off. So do I. Should we try changing the bed size? Yeah. Let's see if this works. That 1 cent denom was kind of doing things earlier. Come on. You're my boy, blue. Come on, you're my boy, blue. We got triples last time, so he does count as a wild, obviously. It says wild in plain sight, but... I didn't know there was, like, baboons in oh, she has a minor. Oh, come on. Ooh. And I like how it like reiterates, any of these may trigger it. Okay. What was the minor even? Oh, okay. Just 30 only, but still. See, it's really good to get that in that round when you get one of those big ones. Come on. Oof. We just really want to see that blue one go off. Wifey called for it. I think she feels it going. Let's go back to our old 2 cent friend. I'm still wondering how that thing on the right didn't do. Oh, come on, come on. If it doesn't pop here, this is craziness. 3. Oh my God, it gave us a good line hit because they count as wilds, but the fact that it is not gonna pop yet, that is ridiculous. Come on. You're my boy, blue. What the heck? What? sir. Did we break the game right there? I am a little bit worried, but whatever. We'll keep going. It was a blackout. Come on. Mo Mummy. Okay, is the winnability up all the way as Vegas Matt says? Is the volume up the whole way? I think it is. I don't even know if there's a volume meter on here. It can happen. It didn't, but it can happen. That's why we play. Oh? Oh no. Blue. You're not my boy, Blue. I take that back. Statement still stands. Oh, bam. Oh, it was at the top. You see it peeking? I don't know what's going on. How much did you win? $50? Remember we were just talking to that guy? We were just talking to the guy in the casino, and they're like, the people who screamed the loudest won like $40. And then that's fine though. They're getting sauced up and they're having fun. Is that ours? Their pops? What the heck? What was that? Come on, you're my boy, Blue. And then, so they're both really, really there. I mean, the 2-cent denom has been where it's kind of at, but it may have fizzled out, team. We tried to bring you all a triple pop, but we tried our very best. Tried our absolute very best, huh? Uh-huh. I see. Oh, it's a big 3. Do it. Yeah, it's up in 2 cents still. No, 2 cents I think it's where all the action's been at. I mean, if it's gonna happen, it's gonna be here. And if it's not, then it's not meant to be. Do it. Last spin, Magic. This is actually the last spin, but that was the last good spin. Oh wow, do it now. Imagine the very, very last spin. Like, I think I've done that before. Yeah. All right, team, we tried as hard as we could. That blue one was boiling over. Now the pink one is too. We got a couple of the green ones, but the second green one is really, really lame. But yeah, we tried our best. Wifey said she has no more money in the reserves, and that is a good time to go home. GG, good night. All right, Mo Mummy, grand, come on. Let's see it. This is probably my favorite new game. Sorry for that glare if y'all can see that. I'm trying to like wiggle in my chair to get out of the way. Oh, come on. Oh, huh? Yeah, she's telling him, wake up. Don't pet your Sphinx, whatever it is. Don't pet your Sphinx. Oh, okay. 5 of these Pharaoh bird things. Cool, cool, cool. You can do it. It can be done. I thought he was gonna come out and do something for us. That's pretty good. We just had a really good dinner over there. Ostera Forella. And we came the very long distance right here. Oh, are you impatient, Mummy? Sorry. We've been trying our best. We've been trying our best here, bud. Hey, what's 75 cents? We've been betting decent size the whole time. If you want to give a baby bonus to start, that's fine too. You can do it. Oh. Let's try max it at 5 cent maybe. I can't do math. Show me numbers. Dollars. Do it. Huh? Come on, Mr. Mummy. Do it. Oh, minor would be a good one. What's minor? Oh, 60. I thought I was looking at major. It would have been nice if it actually happened, but... Okay. I don't know. I think maybe 2 cents is fine. Do it. Do it. What was the... Oh, we have $5. Okay. And... Oh, we got a lot of the kitties. Wait, that didn't go to the last reel? They were right there. How did I not go to the last reel? Do you see that? That's weird. I don't know. Okay. Oh, there's not the same symbol? Okay, I don't know. No. Okay. Mr. Mummy, you were very mean to us today. I'm still wondering why that wasn't on the last one. I need a mulligan. I need security. Okay, could it be? Last shot? Nope. Okay. Did the machine just die? Okay, something silly is going on here. The machine just turned black for a sec. But we tried our best. We'll be back again soon. Bye.